have to make $500 with only $50 using international trade. Hello there, I hope that you are doing great. This is Ali Barzin, and in this video we are going to talk about one of the Iran's most popular industries, a very authentic business. Ladies and gentlemen, this is nothing but Iranian handmade carpets and kelims. So let's get down to the business. As you can see in this website, which is an Iranian website for selling handmade carpets and kelims, these are all made in Iran. Okay, the prices are starting from, let's say, 300,000 tomans, and they are increasing. As you can see, there is an infinite number of patterns, colors, and sizes in kelims. All of these are handmade, and I want to make a price filter. Let's say I want to put it at 1.3 million tomans. And yes, there we go. 1.3 million tomans is approximately $50 in today's conversion rate. And as you can see, these carpets are all $50. The prices are going up, still $50. And for sure, if you purchase it from the manufacturer directly, it can even be at the half a price you can see here. So our product will be Iranian handmade kelim or carpet. Now, where should we sell these products? Look, one of the best markets for dealing kelim and carpet is Germany. Germany has the biggest market for these kind of stuff. And also, Iran's most export is imported to this country. The other market is Canada. Canada has the highest price in retailing these products and is a very lucrative target market for dealing these stuff. So in this video, we are going to have a research on these two markets, and we will be having calculations to see how can we sell these products over there. We know the price of kelim, which is $50. Now let's calculate the shipping cost. As you know, we are an international trading company, and we also provide international shipping services to our clients. So hopefully we have competitive rates for air shipment of these products from Iran to those countries. First of all, let's check Germany. Here is the price from Imam Khomeini Airport in Tehran to Frankfurt in Germany. $5.5 per kilogram, and this price is up to 45 kilograms. I will be showing you complete calculations over here, so you can see and calculate for yourself. The price is up to 300 kilograms, as you could see. And also from Imam Khomeini Airport in Tehran again to Toronto in Canada, $11.2 per kilogram, and this price is up to 45 kilograms. Again, you can have complete calculations over here. The price is up to 300 kilograms. Considering these prices, let's get back on track and check the weight of a kelim, so we could understand how many kelim we can ship using one of these services. Okay, let's check the weight of a kelim. For example, let's check this one. And I want to check the weight of a $50 kelim or rug. And this one. Okay. This one is 1 kilogram, as you can see. And this one is 3 kilograms, as you can see over here. I will introduce two famous websites, one for Germany and the other for Canada, in order to see how much is the price of a kelim or rug in those countries. This website is carpetu2.com, which is one of the biggest distributors of kelim, rugs and carpets in Germany. Let's check the prices. Well, you could see this one is $1,000 with 50% discount. This one is $877 with 50% discount. You can see the prices are high. Now let's check the Canada. In this website, which is for Canada, as you can see, abchome.com is also one of the popular distributors in this country. Let's check the prices of kelims. Now you can see $3,000, $1,300. As I told you, wow, take a look at these prices. As I told you, Canada has the highest price for clean rugs and carpets. Considering you have a $50 kelim, which is 3 kilograms, let's bring up our calculations. Our air shipping rate for Germany is $300 for products up to 45 kilograms. This means if you have a product which is 1 kilogram or a product which is 45 kilogram, both will be charged $300 for the shipment. So you could ship 1 kelim with that service, which your final price in Germany for a kelim will be $300 plus $50 equals to $350, or you could ship 15 kelims with that price, which will be $300 plus 15 times $50 equals to $1,050. This means your final price for a kelim in this method will end up at $1,050 divided by 15 equals to $70. In this table, as you can see, your final price at Germany, shipping only 1 kelim will be $350, shipping 15 kelims will be $70. And on the other hand, the retail price at Germany will be $1,800. And if we have the same calculation for Canada with $500 shipment rate, our final table will be like this. You have price at Canada, shipping only 1 kelim equals to $550, shipping 15 kelims equals to $84, while the retail price at Canada is $2,500 and it goes up. I want to let you know that we were talking about the cheap kelim, not the cheapest. And as you could see, you will be able to gain 4 times more profit if you put money into this. Consider expensive handmade luxury carpets or kelims, and I want you to study them to see how much money you could make dealing expensive products. You will be surprised when you see the result. So folks, here we come to the end of this video. I want to thank you for watching this one, and I want to let you know that in Iran we can help you with purchasing carpets, kelims or rugs, and also we can provide you international shipping services with custom clearance operation. You can easily contact us and just let us know what kind of product you want to purchase, and we will deliver it to you at the final destination that you ask. And guys, like this video and subscribe to our channel. It will be a motivation for us. And if you want us to make videos like this one, if you are thinking about a certain business industry, just let us know in the comment section. We will just make a video for that business. Thank you very much.